Hello and welcome to our channel Joro Blogs. Hope you all are doing good. Today video is all about unboxing 15 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro Max. So yeah, let's get it unboxed. This is the box I received in. Let me get this remote. Alright, here it is. Sorry for the shake, because it's me alone, managing the camera. So yes, this is it. Received. So I've got the natural titanium color, so let me peel this off. Okay, here is the phone. Phone is here. Yep. The natural titanium, and along with this we just get the charger, and the charger feels good this time. It's kind of upgraded. Some stickers with the pin slot. Yeah, that's it, nothing much. Alright, let's get it turned on. That's it, guys, and really excited to get my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Hello, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel Joro Blogs, and have a nice day. Bye bye.